examples of based on Kp is equal to Kc RT to the power of delta N. So in Haber's process, this is the reaction. N2 plus 3 molecule H2 will give you 2 molecules ammonia. Kc is given 0.5 mole per mole square per liter square. Calculate the Kp at 400 Kelvin if R is equal to 0.821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So temperature is given here, R is given, Kc is given, so we can directly use this formula Kp equal to Kc RT delta N. So substituting the value of Kc RT, that is this much value, and delta N is 2 minus 4. So you can see here this is the total sum of the molecules of the product, and this is the moles of product, moles of the reactant. 3 plus 1 4 is 2 minus 4. So on solving we will get this value. So at 540 Kelvin, 0.1 mole of PCl5 are heated in an 8 liter flask. The pressure of the equilibrium mixture is found to be 1 atmosphere. Calculate the Kp and Kc for the reaction. So let us, this is the dissociation equilibrium. So PCl5 is dissociated into PCl3 plus Cl2. Mole at initial moles will be of PCl5 is 0.1 and this will be 0, but after the dissociation of PCl5 the moles will becomes, this will convert into X, this will be X, and this will be total minus X, 0.1 minus X moles. So total moles after the dissociation will be 0.1 minus X plus 2x, sum of this one. So total will be 0.1 plus X, and volume of the this vessel is 8 liters. So we can use moles, we know that, and volume also that. So according to the law of chemical equilibrium, Kc is equal to PCl5 into Cl2 divided by the PCl5 product by reactant. Substituting the value of PCl3, that is the X by 8, and the PCl5 0.1 minus X by 8. So we will get here X square divided by 8 into 0.1 minus X. Now we have to find the this total number of moles, that is Np. So Np is given, so actually we have to find the X. So now you have to use the ideal gas equation, Pv equal to total number of moles into R into T. So this is the pressure, this is the volume, and this is the total moles at the equilibrium is 0.1 plus X into R into T. So from here you will get the X equal to 0.8. So now you know the 8 value. Now you can use this value in the equilibrium. So substituting the value here, so you will get this answer. So Kc is equal to 0.8 whole square divided by 8 into 0.1 minus 0.08. So here we got Kc. Now we got the Kc, so we can get the Kp also. Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta N. So here delta N is positive. Why positive? Because PCl5 is broken into PCl3 plus Cl2. So 2 minus 1. So this will be plus 1. So this will be plus 1. So 4 into 10 power minus 2 RT. So you will get answer this one. So here we can see Kp is greater than Kc. So this is the Kc value. This is the Kp value. So definitely this is greater than Kc. In the next question, a sample of air consisting of nitrogen and oxygen was heated to 2500 Kelvin until the equilibrium N2 plus O2. This is the equation, and it was established. Kc is given. This is the value of Kc at equilibrium. We have to find out the mole percent of NO was 1.8. So this is the mole percent of NO, nitric oxide. So out of 100 we are getting 1.8. So estimate the initial composition of air in mole fraction of N2 and oxygen. So we have to find the whatever the composition of air. So this we know that. So we have to find what we have to find out. Yes, mole fraction we have to find out. So let us see. N2 plus O2 will give you 2 molecules of nitric oxide. So here delta Ng is equal to 0. So Kp will equal to Ac. So initially this is the A mole, and in terms of percentage this will be 100 minus A. This will be 0. After the dissociation, this is the association equilibrium. So after the associations you will get here 2 into X. This X is the dissociation of moles dissociation. So this is 2 moles. So 2 into X will be dissociated. So this is the 1 molecule. So here we write total moles minus X. This is again 1 mole. So A minus X. So at equilibrium we are getting this equation. Now in terms of mole percent, nitric oxide is given 1.8. So we can write 1.8 by 100, and this is equal to 2X by 100 in terms of mole percent. So here if we solve it, here we will get X equal to 0.9. Now Kp is equal to Kc. So if Kc is nothing but the, according to the law of equilibrium, this is the product by concentration. This is the product. This is the reactant, product by reactant, concentration reactant. Now substitute the value of this concentration. This is 2x since delta Ng is equal to the known use of volume. So 2x whole square a minus x, this is the 100 minus a minus x. So we also know the value of x equal to 0.9. So if we substitute the value of here x, so on solving, so what will happen, so we'll get the value of, so again we know the kc also. So kc is given 2.1 into 10 power minus 3. So we know this one, we know x, so we can find a. So a will get 79%, so definitely 100 minus a will get 21%. So this is the mole percent of oxygen and this is the mole percent of nitrogen. So from the question it is very clear. So now in next questions, so at 450 Kelvin, Kp is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 10 power 10 bar per bar. For the given reaction at equilibrium, this is the given reaction, SO2 plus oxygen is combined to form sulfur trioxide. We have to find Kc. So first we need to find out what is the total moles. So 2 minus 3, this is the minus 1. So Kp is equal to 2 into 10 per bar. So now we know that Kc is equal to Kp by RT delta N. So Kp write down, delta N it is minus 1. On solving we will get the answer Kc, which is nothing but the 7.47 into 10 to the power 11 per mole liter. So this is the answer of this question. So now see the next questions. At 1127 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure, a gaseous mixture of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide in equilibrium with solid carbon has 90.55% carbon monoxide by mass. So by mass, this carbon monoxide by this much. So this is the solid, this is the CO2 and it is giving 2 molecules CO2 and we have to find the Kc. So let us take this equation. So here delta Ng will be the total moles of gaseous moles will be your 2 minus 1. So this is the pure, here we can't take any moles. So 2 minus 1, this is 1. So this is the 90.55 grams. So let us take carbon monoxide 90.55 gram. So definitely carbon monoxide will be your 100 minus 90.55. So you will get 9.45. This is nothing but the 100 minus 90.55. So you will get the carbon. This is at equilibrium. So total moles will be 0.215. So divided by molar mass, divided by molar mass. This is moles of CO will be 3.234 gram. So total moles in terms of gram will be this plus this. So you will get 3.45 gram. Now use the term Kp. So Kp is equal to moles of carbon monoxide square divided by N2 and P by delta N, total delta Ng. In delta Ng we know that, we know carbon monoxide, moles of carbon monoxide, moles of carbon dioxide divided 1 by 3.45. This is the total moles. So you will get answer 14.1. So what is the Kp? So this is the Kp, we know that. Now we have to find Kc. To find the Kc, Kp by RT delta N. So Kp given here 14.1 and RT this one, temperature 1127 Kelvin and delta Ng is again given 1. So on solving you get Kc also. So we got Kc also, we got Kp also. So we got 2 answers from these questions.